Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make an informed decision. Today we have two drones for kids that are perfect for beginners. We will be comparing the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the Q9s drones for kids. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone HS190 is priced at $0, while the Q9s drones for kids is priced at $49. Both drones offer great features at their respective price points, so it ultimately depends on your budget. Now let's move on to the features. The Holy Stone HS190 offers one-click takeoff landing function, making it easy to control, especially for kids. It also has a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement. On the other hand, the Q9s drones for kids features bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue lights, providing a powerful illuminating effect. It also has multiple operating tricks like 360-degree flips and auto rotation functions. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones for kids. The Holy Stone HS190 comes with propeller guards, which protect kids from spinning propellers. It also has an emergency stop function, reducing the risk of damage or injury. Similarly, the Q9s drones for kids has a structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and avoiding body injuries. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Holy Stone HS190 offers an altitude hold function, allowing the drone to hover at a fixed height automatically. It also has a headless mode, making it easy to control regardless of the direction it's facing. On the other hand, the Q9s drones for kids has a one-button takeoff land return feature and 3 different speeds to choose from, catering to both beginners and skilled players. Battery life is always important to ensure longer flight times. The Holy Stone HS190 comes with a single battery, while the Q9s drones for kids includes 2 batteries. Having 2 batteries means more flight time and more fun for your kids. The Holy Stone HS190 is praised for being easy to fly and suitable for beginners. It is durable with good quality materials and has a battery life of 5 to 7 minutes. The drone is recommended for indoor flights and performing flips. On the other hand, the Q9s drones for kids is loved for its user-friendly design, exciting flipping feature, and cool lights. It comes with 2 batteries but has a shorter battery life. Both drones have positive reviews and offer great value for their prices. And that wraps up our comparison between the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the Q9s drones for kids. Both drones offer unique features and are great options for beginners. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and budget. We hope this comparison helped you in making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.